Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last video we created an Airtable and content system. What it does is we have a prompt and we have a workflow generate article. When I choose workflow generate article, it sends this prompt to Airtable and it gets the record and it creates an article from this prompt and saves it back to Airtable, which is great. But what we want to do now is I want to repurpose article from other pages. So I want to just enter a link and say, please create a new article from this other article from the other website. So we're going to change the table here a little bit. We have a workflow generate article, and this is also an article. So we add a new field called options. Options is a single select, and then we say from prompt and from link, or from URLs better. Save it. Great. You have final article prompt. What we also now need is article URL. Single line text is okay. And we don't need a prompt. So make is now going also to send these options. Sorry, Airtable is going to send it to make. We're going from URL. I will just use from your SEO article here. Put in the URL. Great. So generate article from URL. We delete this one. Okay, let's go to make. So this is what we have now. We have a webhook, and this creates from the prompt an article. But now we want to do like two lanes, and for this we have router, and now we can connect this here. So this is for the prompt. So we can say set up a filter. We only want this to execute. So condition. Okay. We have made a mistake. Let me check. First, need to unlink this, unlink this. First, we need to get the record. Then the router. Great. So this, let's make it a little bit nicer. So we want to execute this when set up a filter. The condition looks better. If option, we don't have option here because we have to execute it once again. For this we need this record ID. Then I can run this manually. And now we should see the options. Options. Now it's from URL, but when it's from prompt, it's important that this is correct here. Label. Then we choose this, but when it's set up. When the options is from URL, choose the other path. So when it's from URL, what we're going to do, I experimented a little bit, let's say, and the best way I have found is to make just an HTTP call, because AIs will refuse to scrape article. The URL will be our URL. Where is it? Article URL, get everything, path response. Yes, is it needed? I don't think so. No, because we take it raw. The problem is now what you get is all the HTML code, and it's a lot. So what we can do here, is a text parser, HTML to text. That is quite handy. And then we take here from HTTP call the data. Great, and then we get much more cleaner output. Now we can use the Claude or something else, create a prompt. Max tokens. I mean, if you want to have a really long article, you can chain requests and then at the end put it together. We'll make another video about that. Or you can use Gemini, which has a much larger max tokens context. Today, as for the state, when I check the docs, I see Claude 3.5 IQ has 8,192 tokens. Okay, why not using max tokens, right? Add a message. The user says, let's see, text. Okay. Please, let's say, you will get a text extract from a website that contains an article. Only use this article and repurpose it. Rewrite the article with other words, so it does not sound the same, but keep the informations. Yeah. Need to play around a little bit with that, but for now this will do it. Okay, then we create the article, then we will save it to Airtable again, update the record, our base with our table, record ID, and here we could also change status if you want to now, like to done, but we will just here final article, update the final article with our Anthropic text response. Send away. Great. So this works quite well, but of course you can always improve the prompt. But let's see if it works. So we run it once. Okay, runs. We go back. So from URL, let's go. It should update a table. And then it should go up here from link, read the URL, pass HTML to text, create the article, save the article. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's also good. Let's see. Nice. I'm ready to help you rewrite an article making this original. Okay, something went wrong. No worries. Yeah, so let's see. Oh yeah, haha, we forgot the text. Yeah, text to read. And then text. Let's see if that works. So let's see. So, okay, Claude is generating. Took a bit. Let's see. Here's a reshaped version of this article. Crafting compelling seasonal content, a strategic guide. Looks not too bad. I mean, it's not huge. It's a small article, but I will make a follow-up video where we will create really, really long articles and at the end put them together. But for now, this looks good. Let's check make again. Yeah, from URL, from prompt. Nice. So that's how you can scrap an URL and create a new article. If you like that, then check out the other videos and see you next time.